We'll say it together.
I'll start. There was an old man of Peru.
Who dreamt he was eating a shoe.
He woke in the night with a terrible fright.
And found it was perfectly true.
Fabulous poem, guys.
It's called a limerick. We learn all about them in school.
I loved it. We should all write a limerick.
No, I'm too tired.
Really, Simon?
Why are you so tired, Simon?
I'll try to explain.
Well, I woke up this morning and I was feeling really tired, 'cause I didn't go to bed last night. Why, I should have gone to bed. I got the bedtime blues. Woo. When it's time to go to bed, I find myself staying up and watching the news. There's always a book to read. There's always a glass of milk. There's always something else that stops me getting in my bed. I got the bedtime blues. I got the bedtime blues. Woo. If I could go to bed on time, I know I'd be able to get up in the morning. There's always a song to sing. There's always ironing to do. There's always clothes to clean, and occasionally I need the loo. I got the bedtime blues. I got the bedtime blues. Woo. If I could go to bed on time, I think I'll be able to get up in the morning.
I don't like going to bed either.
And you definitely don't like getting up. You get the wake up, please.
I will have such fun today. We will have plenty to say. I will write some songs to play, and Simon says I'll guide the ships coming our way so they can sail into the bay.